This is the given for number 10. Step 1, to simplify the given rational expression, we need to factor first the numerator and denominator completely. Okay, first step up. Proceed tayo sa numerator. How many terms do we have? 3 terms. So, trinomial. Check natin kung pwede natin i-apply yung pangatlong factoring. Ano po yun? Perfect square trinomial. Ano po yung rule natin dyan? Okay. First, check the first term and the last term. They are both positive. Yes. Both perfect square. If yes, get the square root. What is the square root of x squared? X. Square root of 25. Then after that, get the product. 5 times x. 5x. Then multiply the product again by 2. Kailangan equal saan? Sa middle term. O, 2 times 5. 10 times x, 10x. Equal po ba? Opo. If yes, we can say that the given trinomial is a perfect square. What we're going to do now? 2 parentheses. Inside the parentheses, get the square root of the first term. What is that? X. Square root of the last term. Then, ano yung operation sa middle term? Both positive po yan. Therefore, this is the factor of the first or of the numerator. Now, let us proceed by the denominator. How many terms? 2 terms. Kapag 2 terms, ano yung possible na pwedeng gamitin? Common monomial or difference of 2 squares. Doon muna tayo sa madali, yung pangalawa. Difference of 2 squares. Meron tayong dalawang condition po doon. Ano yung first condition? Okay. The first term and the last term are both perfect square? Yes. Second condition, there is a minus sign between the 2 terms? If yes, we can say that the given expression is a perfect square. So, ito ang rule naman natin dito. Write 2 parentheses. Kapag binomial anak ha, then inside the parentheses, write plus and minus. Then after that, get the square root of each term. What is the square root of x squared? X. Square root of 25. Okay, so therefore, this is the factors of the given binomial. Then after natin apply yung step 1, factors the numerator and denominator completely, let us proceed by the second step. Divide out or cancel out any common factors. So, meron po bang common factors? Anong factors? So, x plus 5. Cancel yan. Meron pa po ba? Okay, kung wala na, write the remaining factors. Ano yung natira sa numerator? X plus 5. Sa denominator? Okay, therefore, this is the simplest form of the given rational expression.